Hi everyone and welcome to Mon-ara. Today I'm going to show you how to make a handmade sugar scrub that's even better than your store-bought sugar scrub. This sugar scrub is so easy to apply, rinses clean, not greasy, and just a little goes a long way. So stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Alright, let's get started. Everything needed, all the ingredients will be listed in the description box down below. I am going to make a lavender sugar scrub, and this is optional. I have some lavender buds. Now you're going to get your double boiler or just a bowl that you can put in water in a double bath. You're going to add your coconut oil. Here I have a mixture of my liquid oils. It's castor oil and sunflower oil. Feel free to choose any oil you have. In that mix, I'm going to add my waxes, and I have my sugar and other ingredients that I'm not going to add now. So take your ingredients and melt in a double boiler. Stir gently till everything melts or dissolves. Once your oils and waxes are melted, all you want to do is just mix it. And this is another optional step. You can add a color, and here I am adding my surfactants. This is mainly decyl glucoside. Once you add this, you want to make sure you stir just to incorporate it and to warm it, and try as much as possible not to create a lot of bubbles. Now this is what is going to make our sugar scrub rinse clean without drying your skin. Once that's ready, all you need to do is switch off your stove, turn it off, and now you can add your color. I'm using a lavender mica that I got from Brambleberry. Add as little as you want and mix it into the product. Now make sure your oils are actually below 140 degrees Fahrenheit. I added my sugar while my oils were still hot, but you can always add your sugar when it is cooler. I've made another batch and I found out that actually it is best to add your sugar once it's around 110 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix your sugar until it is well incorporated. I'm switching to a wooden spoon just because I was making a lot of bubbles, and I'm just mixing my sugar into this product. Make sure you get the sides of the pan because your sugar scrub is going to start getting thick. Now you can always customize how much sugar or how little sugar you want. Keep mixing until everything is dissolved, all your sugar is dissolved in the scrub. And this is the next step. I have some lavender buds that are already grounded. You can add just a little because it's already a lavender scrub. I wanted to add this. And it's also going to make your product smell nicer. Another optional step, which is highly recommended, is your preservative. Now you want to use a preservative because this will be used in the shower, and obviously it will come in contact with water. Add your preservative and your preferred essential oil or fragrance oil, and then you want to put this, measure this in a clean, sterilized container. I already wiped down all my utensils before doing this with 99% alcohol, and you're just going to let this sit for a couple of minutes or hours. I would say overnight. Do not cover with your lid, and it's going to solidify pretty quickly. Now let's put this scrub to the test. The scrub doesn't fall, so it means you only use a little. A little goes a long way, and then you can just keep rubbing in circular motion. I have found that using the scrub on dry skin makes for a deep exfoliation, while using it on damp skin makes for a mild or gentle exfoliation. Rinse it clean and apply your moisturizer, and there you have it. This is an amazing scrub, guys, so take this opportunity and try it and let me see what you think. I hope you like this video. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share, comment down below and tell me what you want to know. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye.